Hi guys, I'm Andrew the Business Coach. Welcome back to my channel. In this third part of my dropshipping course, I will briefly be covering and comparing two paid product research tools. Check out the next part if you are looking for free methods. Using paid research techniques allows you to discover successful products that are currently performing excellently in other dropshipping businesses. This includes identifying winning products, advertisements, and websites. While not obligatory, utilizing paid research methods provides you with a distinct competitive edge. The primary and top tool I suggest is Adspy. This resource is invaluable for discovering successful products through advertisements and is currently the most potent tool available. Every media buyer I've conversed with who achieves a daily revenue of at least $10K is utilizing Adspy. It stands out as the most influential tool for identifying high-converting advertisements. It aids in locating profitable products, innovative ad creatives, and provides abundant inspiration for your copywriting. Adspy comes with a monthly fee of $149, making it one of the more expensive options. If you're operating on a tighter budget and can't allocate this amount, you have the alternative of utilizing a more affordable spying tool like Minea, which I'll discuss shortly. However, it's crucial to note that Adspy ranks as the most potent among them all. They feature the largest number of advertisements, and if your budget permits, I highly recommend opting for their services. Now, I'm about to unveil something rather fascinating. Adspy maintains an active presence on Twitter, where they consistently share freshly discovered products from advertisements. This clever approach enables you to conduct surveillance without the need to invest in their software. You can simply visit their Twitter page and find unique products. Here we find ourselves on Adspy's Twitter page, where you can observe daily updates featuring their latest discoveries. As you can see, there's a variety of items showcased, allowing you to peruse them before committing to Adspy's paid subscription. Each day, they unveil a fresh array of trending and successful products. This means that, even without an Adspy subscription, you can capitalize on this resource by visiting their Twitter feed and exploring the intriguing products they highlight. The next paid tool I recommend is Minea. Minea is one of my favorite spy tools to find winning products on. I consistently advise using spy tools to identify trending products because they provide insights into current market trends. Minea can reveal which products are experiencing success. With this tool, your task becomes more straightforward. Identify a product that's performing exceptionally for another seller, model it, replicate it, and enhance it to create your unique offering. It offers a list of top 100 products that are thriving, which is a great source of inspiration for your product selection. Moreover, Minea allows you to search for products using advanced filters so you can easily spot trending products and identify opportunities. Whether you're interested in jewelry, unique gadgets, or other categories, they can all be found on Minea. If you go to prices, you can see here that Minea costs $49 per month. They give you 10,000 research credits, and you can see ads that are working well on Facebook, influencers, and Snapchat. If you get the premium option, they also let you see ads that are working well on TikTok and Pinterest. Both Minea and Adspy offer free trials, which I recommend trying out. Now, if you are looking for more in-depth free product research methods, check out Part 4 in this dropshipping series.